Hey guys, welcome back to math. Today we are going to review the two strategies that we've used so far for double-digit addition. Let's get started. So, my first problem is 42 plus 36, and it says to build the numbers. So solve the problems by building or drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my addition sentence, 42 plus 36, and I'm going to write it down here where it says rewrite. So I'm going to rewrite 42 and 36. Now, boys and girls, why I have these boxes is just to help me remember that these are my 10s, these are my 1s. Now, I'm going to go ahead and build my first number, 42. How many 10s are there? That's right, 10, 20, 30, 40. And how many 1s? Good job, 2 1s. Now I'm ready to build my second number, 36. 10, 20, 30. How many 1s? 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm ready to add. I have both numbers built. So I look at my ones place. 2 1s plus 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So I'm going to write that right down here. Now I'm ready to add my 10s. Now, boys and girls, a mistake that I usually see boys and girls doing is they say 4 plus 3, and they know 4 plus 3 equals 7. But I'm not asking what 4 plus 3 is. We're asked what 40 plus 30 is. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 40 plus 30 equals 70. So I put 7 in my 10 spot, because 7 tens is equal to 70. So my sum is 78. So I'm going to go ahead and write 78 right up here for the sum. Now, I forgot to go over something with y'all. This line right here, the bold line, is an equal sign. It means the same thing as this right up here. But when we're writing numbers going up and down, then I write the equals just one line, and then I put the sum underneath it. All right, you guys ready? I want you to go get something to write on and write with. So pause this video and come on back. All right, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and solve the next problem. Now, I know that you're not going to have the boxes right here, so you might just want to rewrite it. 34 plus 15. 34, you know what I do sometimes is I go ahead and write the boxes just to help me keep my 10s and 1s lined up, because I want to add all the ones together. So I would write 34 plus 15. All right, pause this video and go ahead and get writing or solving. All right, welcome back. So my first step, 34 plus 15, I have to draw out the numbers. 10, 20, 30. Then I'm going to draw my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, 34. My next number underneath it is 15. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. Now I'm ready to add. Remember, I'm going to add the 1s column first. And you know what? I'm going to first rewrite 34 plus 15. So my 1s column is saying 4 plus 5. What's 4 plus 5? That's right, 9. So I have 9 ones. Now I'm ready to add my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 30 plus 10 gives me 40. So I have 4 tens and 9 ones. So my sum for 34 plus 15 equals 49. Excellent thinking. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and put your markers or pens or whatever you have to write with down for a minute. And I want you to pay really close attention. Remember, we talked about breaking apart numbers to solve the addition problems. So that's our other strategy. We have 55 plus 31. So my first step is to write each number in expanded form. So 55 is 50 plus 5. And then I have to write 31 in an expanded form. 30 plus 1. Now, I have to add my tens together. So 50 plus 30 gives me how many? Say it again. That's right, 80. And then I add my ones together. I have a 5 and a 1. So 5 plus 1 equals, you got it, 6. Now my next step is to add the 80 plus the 6. Oh, I did not use my best writing. So 80 plus 6 equals, you got it, boys and girls, 86. All right, now I want you to go ahead and solve the next problem, which is right here. 46 plus 51. I want you to pause this video and go ahead and solve it. Okay, guys, welcome back. So, let's check our answers. Expanded form, 46. Call out what y'all wrote. Oh, good. 40 plus 6. And 51? Oh my goodness, y'all are so smart. 50 plus 1. Add my tens. What do you guys have? 40 plus 50 equals 90. Oh my goodness, that's what I have too. All right, what's our next problem? 6 plus 1 equals 7. And what's the last step? 90 plus 7 gives us 97 for our sum, our answer. So I'm going to write that right up here. Excellent math today, guys. Now you are going to get on a seesaw, and there is an activity that you are going to do, and you are going to practice building your numbers to solve addition problems and breaking apart numbers. You guys are doing awesome. Keep up the good work.